Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to speed up Elevenlabs Voice. First of all, I have opened Elevenlabs and I have generated a speech from my script. For example, as you can see.
Guys, today I'm going to show you how to watch TikTok.
So if I want to speed that voice over to 2x or 3x, then there is no option in the Elevenlabs to speed up your speech. So to speed up your speech or to slow it down, all you have to do is open a new tab and type download Audacity. So you have to click on download Audacity. So it's a completely free professional voiceover software in which you can import your speech from Elevenlabs and import it into the Audacity software. From here you have a bunch of and lots of options from which you can also speed up your voice of Elevenlabs, and you can also speed or you can also slow it down. And that's how you can speed up the Elevenlabs voice. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.